Okay guys, so we've got our camera, we're going to go outside and we're going to start looking for things to take pictures of. So the next question I guess has got to be, what makes a good picture? You want something that's well exposed, you want something that's well composed, and you want something that's sharp. So with the exposure, it's just basically how light or dark the picture is. If you take a picture outside, for example, and you're shooting towards the sun, you might just completely blow the picture out and it just come out completely white. So you need to learn how to control the camera to make sure that doesn't happen. And also vice versa, if you're in a room and it's really dark, you want to make sure that you can get as much out of the light that you have in that room, and that's going to be down to exposure. The composition is basically where things go in the picture. You get different ideas and different techniques. Some people like to frame, so shoot through things. Other people use stuff like the rule of thirds. And it's just basically where everything sits in the picture and how neat it looks. And lastly, we're going to be looking at the focus. Now that's how sharp things are in the image. Obviously, if you're shooting a picture of like a lizard or a gecko or something, and the gecko's blurred, 9 times out of 10 that is not what you want. So we're going to be looking at how to control that. So next we're going to look at what we can do with the camera to make sure we get everything how we want it.